Boeing subsidiary Wisk is actively working on integrating autonomous aircraft into the existing airspace. At the end of last year, we actually made history by successfully completing a first-of-its-kind trial near Christchurch, New Zealand. So what we actually did is a small team run flight tests using a small uncrewed aircraft to safely maneuver and navigate in controlled airspace shared with piloted aircraft, setting a historic precedence for future airspace integration. And it was also a powerful example of collaboration. Since August 2020, teams across Wisk, Boeing, in situ worked closely with the Civil Aviation Authority of New Zealand, Airways New Zealand, and an indigenous-led venture to demonstrate that even today we can safely operate uncrewed aircraft in controlled airspace together with piloted aircraft. See you at Airspace World in Lisbon in 2025.